Welcome back to another video. This one's just going to be another fun AI video where I mess with random celebrities' faces and make them into monsters. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, first off, we got Mr. Beast, and let's just see what we can do. So first thing I'm thinking is to add some earrings. So let's go ahead and see what happens if we do that. All right, he's dripped out. He's got an earring right there. What if I gave him like a, I think they call it a septum, right? I don't know how to spell it, to be honest. I probably spelled that wrong too. It doesn't even matter. That didn't work. Nose ring, I think. Is that what they're called? Nose, like the thing, you know? I don't know. Dude, are you serious right now? That's it. This is as specific as I can get. The ring that the bulls have on their nose. That's all I want. There we go. Okay. Little extreme, but it'll do. So we got that. Now, let's, cyborg eye. Okay, not exactly a cyborg, but it does make him look a little bit derpy. So, can we just like, what could replace his eyeball? All right, he's looking pretty odd right now. Now let's give him some giant lips. He's looking like he's seen some things. This is ridiculous. This is definitely not what the intention of this tool. I don't know what I'm saying, okay? All I know is look at him. That's all there is to say. And that, I don't know. We're doing it, but... All right, now let's make him bald, dude. If this works, whoa, those are the most luscious locks I've seen ever. Please work. Oh, dude, this is the best. This really is something. Let's give him a normal nose or big nose. That works too. Wow, there it is, guys. Wow, Mr. Beast looking good, man. Looking good. I think that's it for Mr. Beast. Let's go ahead and save that and move on. I felt like Keanu Reeves what just had to be next. So let's do Keanu Reeves. Okay, so first things first, let's give him no eyebrows. But how do we do that? Skin, maybe? Is that like, can you do that or? No, you can't do that, guys. You simply cannot do that. We're not going to. Let's try doing this and see what happens. I feel like it's not going to work. I kind of hope it doesn't work because it's going to be scary. Whoa. Yeah. Remove that. Jeez. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Giant mouth. Let's see what he looks like. Wow. Ew. What is that? Well, he's got like lard in his mouth. Oh god. Giant hoop earrings. It's just, you gotta do it. Yep. Let's give him some bangs. He's looking like a G. I'm gonna be honest. Yep. Wow. Looking good, man. Let's give him a necklace. This is truly something. What else does this need? You know, this might look really weird, but let's add some makeup. This could ruin everything. I'm gonna be honest. I think I'm gonna end the video. Yeah. Oh, yeah.